Unit 9, Class 6, Linear Equations, page number 99. Introduction of linear equations. First of all, I will tell you equations. Algebraic equations, statement with equal sign is known as an equation, which means the value of one side is equal to the value of the other side of the statement, or statement of equality of two expressions. Now you can see here is the equation x plus 2 one side equal to equal sign, that is the equation, is equals to 3, that is the other side. Now you can see left hand side equal to right hand side. Here is two expressions and these two expressions with the equal sign. So this is a equation. Now in this equation you have a variable. Variable is x and we have just one variable. You can see. And linear, what is linear? Linear, highest power of variable. Who is the variable? X is a variable in this statement. So variable in the equation, this is the equation and variable is x. In the equation is 1. Highest power of variable in the equation is 1. Now you can see this is a variable. Variable is x and highest power is 1. So this is a linear equation. Let's see the definition of linear equation.